I'm from Program. Today we want to argue about Shah Jahan was very wise emperor when he chopped off the head of the architect. So I'm from Protein. This is my friend Kalista. So wise in the sentence means like is nice, and architect means someone who designed it. Shah Jahan was the emperor of Taj Mahal. So I agree if he is wise because he loves his wife Mumtaz. So he built Taj Mahal and he chopped off the hands of the architect so the architect won't make the same building like Taj Mahal.
Hello everyone, my name is Izzy. I am from Konsta team, and this is my friends Alvin and Alia. And today I am not agree with Shah Jahan is a wise emperor because a wise emperor need to respect human life, and Shah Jahan chopped off the chief architect hand, and for me it showed that Shah Jahan is not a wise emperor.
Hello, my name is Kalista and I disagree with Zizi because Shah Jahan, Shah Jahan chopped off the hands of the chief architect because he loved Mumtaz. I think he is wise because it took 17 years to complete. If there are people who built the same building, it wastes them. Because Taj Mahal was built for Mumtaz. If there are same building, I think it's not good for people who visit it. I think they will get bored. And then Shah Jahan love was get wasted. He loved Mumtaz, so he chopped off the hands of the chief architect.
Hello, I'm Alia. I don't want to comment about Kalista's answer, but this is my argument. For me, when Shah Jahan chopped off the hand of the chief architect, it was very cruel. When I was read the story, I was shocked because I think done it until like that. Because when it just gives a small punishment, even if for his beloved wife Mumtaz, done it because if we chopped off the hand of the chief architect, the if the Taj Mahal sometimes in one times the white marble broken, the chief architect will can't build it again because the hand done chopped off by Shah Jahan. My name is Aurelia, and my argument is Shah Jahan destroyed future opportunities to build more wonders. The Shah Jahan chopped off the architect hand, so Taj Mahal will be iconic in that country and people. It is an identity for Indian people.
For me, if Shah Jahan chopped off the chief architect hand, it is the same like Shah Jahan destroyed the future opportunities to build more wonders because for me, the chief architect is skilled. So it means there will be no one who can make more wonders for India.
So I want to talk about abuse of power. If Shah Jahan is a wise emperor, he will not use his power to chop off the hand of chief architect because the chief architect is important for his country to build another monument, but not same like Taj Mahal.
For me, Shah Jahan is wise because he is the king, so he can do anything. And if there is the same building, Shah Jahan love will look like divided too. And if it's only one building, Shah Jahan love eternal.
If Shah Jahan, the king, don't show the power, maybe the country of India will be get invaded by another country. So if Shah Jahan, by doing that, no one will dare to underestimate Shah Jahan or the country that he leads.
He is the king, so he can do anything. If he didn't show his power, everyone will do anything what they want. Imagine if you be the king. Of course, you would threaten them to protect your country from dangers.
If the king, which means Shah Jahan, do you think wise when he chopped off the hand? I think don't need until do that one because the king will make with what will make his citizens scared. So maybe some of his citizens will move to another country. So Shah Jahan country will be not strong again. Imagine if you are the king of the country, like a president, and your building get duplicated by orang rendahan.
Oh, orang rendahan, low person ya. Orang rendahan. Oh, bad person.
Like a bad person. Of course, you will feel like you get underestimated. Of course, you will protect your country from the other country that wants to colonize your country. Thank you.
I think that Shah Jahan sent the chief architect to the jail. I think that is better for the punishment.
It's more brutal punishment than this era, like the Greece punishment. They burn people alive.
For this statement, which has said that the government should give a long holiday for the students at the end of the year. What's that? To make the students free from the stress. So, based on this statement, we want to say that we 100% agree with this statement. Why? There are 4 points that we are going to discuss. The first one is about mental health. As you know that as the students, we face a lot of stress. Yes or no? Right? From the homework. Yeah. That's why we need a long break. After that, the second one, by having 1 month full of holiday, we can spend the time with our family. Again, as you know that, when we always go to the school, we are lacking of time to spend with the parents. Mostly we only meet with them at the weekend, which is the one is not enough because the weekend is only 1 day. So by having this, we can make our bond stronger. The third one, sometimes when we have the long holiday, it is also can improve our academic performance, especially after we got after we got a full month break without the stress, right? And people usually after they recharge their battery, it will be easy for them to face again another challenge. And the last one, maybe when they have the long holiday, at the same time they also can find or learn the new skill which is can improve themselves.
So hello, my name is Alvaro.
Zizi,
Aurin. I'm Maria. So we are from Kodrat Swim. Of course, we disagree with your opinion.
Okay.
So you said that we just can have one holiday in 1 year, one long holiday, and so we can have fun in one holiday. But uh, in the school we just we just can spend our time with our family in on weekend. We said that we are busy. Actually, we are not the only one that's busy. Also, our family is also busy because they work to get money. If we just have one holiday in 1 year, of course the student will be stressed because just have one holiday and long. Sometimes on another school they also give many homeworks when they have a long holiday. Thank you.
But first, I need to rebate what Alvaro said. First, okay, we said that December is going to be off month of the school. Yes, correct. But that one is only for the semester. You still have the holiday on the weekend, like usual. But you will not get the holiday on June or July, like what Miss Kita said.
After we go in, of course there will be so many customers, so we cannot directly sit in our seat. Yeah. Then imagine again, if we never got to do fun, we will be so curious. We will wait longer. Huh? And we will wait longer, not like before holiday.
Possible for all people will go to do fun, especially because every person has different interests, right? Maybe you are a big fan of beach, but maybe another family is not a big fan of beach. And also Indonesia is big. We have 38 provinces, so each province also has their own reasons. And also, if we ask how many customers,
There are 7 billion people in the world. Yeah, billion. So, so of course, if just one holiday, of course that will be crowded. I disagree if we have a long holidays in end of the year because they can be lazy and they get used to play a phone more. So they addicted.
I disagree with Miss Nochita's opinion in the first. Yeah, huh? Oh yes. Because we usually meet our family in our house. And for mental health, how is our happiness when we play with our friends? And then the students will forget to study. They will waste their time. If students get stressful, I think the students also have free time in the night. They can call or play with their friends. On Sunday or Saturday, they can go hang out with their friends. And then also there are many international holidays.
I think I will add more sentence for Kalista's argument. For the first deal about mental health, that Miss Nochita said, always study, we will get depressed. And we must celebrate the 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 kemerdekaan of Indonesia. Independence Day. And of course, many students lazy to wake up early, and some students can skip the class because there are many students like to skip the class because maybe they are too fun for the December one, and yeah, so they don't think about the school again.